Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Whiskey is a great decongestant. The alcohol dilates the blood vessels, making it easier for your mucous membranes to deal with the infection, and, combined with the herbal tea, squeeze of honey, lemon, and the warm steam emanating from the drink, you have the perfect concoction for helping to clear up your cold. The 15th of January 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you're looking for a natural and effective way to battle the symptoms of a cold, then a hot toddy is the perfect cure. Each ingredient in this simple drink helps soothe congestion, cough, and aches. 20 July 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
The hot toddy is not one of those drinks that you down simply to get drunk. It is more of an experience and a way to relax, so its alcohol content may be irrelevant for the most part. However, for the curious drinker, you can expect it to weigh in around 6% ABV, 12 proof. 0.18 November 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Both alcohols, ethyl and isopropyl, can kill several bacteria in 10 seconds or fewer in the lab, including Staph aureus, strep pyogenes, E. coli, Salmonella typhosa, and Pseudomonas species, some of the bad actors in infections. 0.18 November 2012.
Let's help you make your mark.
The steam from the hot beverages works with the decongestant benefits of the alcohol and makes it easier for the mucous membranes to deal with the nasal congestion. Whiskey can also relieve aching muscles and soothe a sore throat. The combination of honey and lemon soothe a sore, scratchy throat and can ease a cough.
Let's help you make your mark.
In theory, a high enough alcohol concentration with sufficient exposure to gut or oral tissue could kill bacteria, but will in all likelihood also damage the gut lining. It's not advised alcohol be used as a regular disinfectant to treat tummy bugs or throat infections. 0.11 October 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Bronchitis is an inflammation of the mucous membrane in the bronchial tubes leading from the lungs and can feel like drowning. A standard toddy, base spirit, citrus, spices, honey and hot water, is soothing for this and any other type of respiratory distress to calm nerves and temporarily reduce swelling. 0.8 January 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.